If you need to use your Texas birth certificate in another country, you'll likely need an apostille. Here's how to get it done, step by step. First, check the country you're sending the document to. Every country has slightly different requirements. Some might ask for more than just your birth certificate, like school records or police reports. It's best to confirm this in advance so you don't have to go through the process multiple times. Next, make sure you have a certified copy of your Texas birth certificate. If it's more than 5 years old, you'll need to get a new one. You can order it online through Texas Vital Statistics or services like VitalCheck. You can also contact your local county clerk's office. Once you have the certified copy, it's time to decide how you want to complete the apostille process. You can either visit the Secretary of State's office in Austin, mail your documents in, or use a professional service that handles everything for you. In person is usually the fastest, but all options work depending on your timeline. Now fill out the apostille request form. Use Form 2102 for general purposes like work or study. If it's for adoption, use Form 2103 instead. Make sure the information is accurate, including the country where the document will be used. The fee is usually $15 per document, or $10 if it's adoption related. You can pay with a check or money order if you're mailing it in. If you're going in person, debit cards are usually accepted too. Third-party services handle payments on their own websites. Once submitted, processing times vary. If you're there in person, you might get it back the same day. By mail, expect around 25 business days. Third-party services can often return your documents within 1-2 days. And that's it.